1, 2, 3, 4 Tell me that you love me more Sleepless, long nights Satisfying my youth.
Dini Kiyomi Vella, tfajla ta' 19 sena li saf ġimatilu kienet qed tikkompeti f'The Voice Australia, reality talent show segwit minn 2 miljun persuna f'kull episodju. Kif jiexed tkun jom Kiyomi ġejja minn dixxindenza Maltija. Infatti missier Kiyomi u Malti, waqt li omma hi Ġappuniża. Kiyomi twildet l-Awstralja propjament fl-istat ta' Victoria. Tkellimna ma' Kiyomi direttament mill-Awstralja. Tgħidilna li kien propju missiera li brika li xtrala bdiela l-ewwel passi fix-xjena mużikali.
When I was younger, me and my sister used to sing a lot, just for fun. My dad bought us a karaoke machine when we were little and we had 2 mics, so we used to just sing along. So we just had like so much fun just screaming our lungs out, dancing around. So I guess that's really when it all started, just exploring with different musics and having fun with it. When I was 13 in year 7, some of the kids sort of caught on that I could sing. So they said, Yulk, you should audition for the school concert. So we're having a school concert, and so I said, oh, okay, I'll give it a go. So I auditioned for that, and they seemed to like it, so I sang a song at the concert.
Min hemm mistaqsit lill-ġenituri biex tieħu lezzjonijiet tal-kant. Jisabet l-appoġġ kollu tagħhom u bdiet il-lezzjonijiet qabel bdiet tikteb ukoll il-kanzunetti tagħha stess. U minkejja l-età żgħira tagħha hi diġà kitbet mal-40 kanzunetta.
When it begins, the bittersweet between my teeth. Trying to find.
When I was 15, 16, I decided to take it to the next level and start songwriting. So I did that, and like lots of different ideas, and and I really thought that this is what I meant to be doing. So I just thought I'd just pursue this, and yes, I give The Voice a go, and it's been an amazing experience. So many doors have opened, and the possibilities of a music career are there now, and it's really, really amazing what a show can do for your career.
Smiles upon their face, 'cause I have made it through this far in an unforgiving place. Though sometimes it's just too steep for a girl like me.
Titkellem magħna wkoll dwar ir-raba tagħha f'Malta. Tgħidilna li nannuha kien idoqq il-klarinett f'pajjiżna u li tixtieq li xi darba żżur pajjiżna l-ewwel darba f'ħajjitha.
My grandfather was a clarinet player. So he used to play the clarinet, and back in Malta he used to play in a band. So maybe that's where the musical genetics appeared, I don't know. So yeah, I've never been to Malta, and it's definitely on the checklist of things that I want to do in my life. Or just learn more about my heritage, see the beautiful beaches, meet the people, and it would just be amazing to go there. So it's definitely on my checklist.
Matul l-episodji ta' The Voice, Kiyomi qalet ħafna tifhir mill-ġurija u impressjonat bil-vuċi tagħha, tant li waslet sa' tielet live finals, jiġifieri pass biżbogħod mis-semifinali.